Hey peeps, it's Jedd here from Disrupt Tutoring, and as always, it's such a pleasure to join you. Today we're going to continue on with our data handling question from the November 2018 DBE exam. With that in mind, let's move on to 1.4 where we determine the median for the data set. Okay, so what does median mean? Median means the middle number, okay? So we first need to find our position. Where would this median be? Okay? Right, the way we do that is we say the total number plus 1 divided by 2. We've already said in the previous question, when we summed up all of these numbers, the total number of learners that wrote this particular test would be 42. So we're going to have 42 plus 1 over 2. And that means the position here is going to be the 21,5. So the 21st, sort of between the 21st and the 22nd value. So we're going to use the 21st, we're going to use the 22nd, we add them together and we divide by 2. Right, so let's get to that. Okay, so we've got 3 plus 4 is 7, plus 5 is 12, plus 3 is 15, plus 6 is 21. So that leaves us at the 21st value. So the 21st value here is going to be 5. Perfect. And we know the very next one, okay, there's no one writing the 6th, so the 22nd term would be 7. So we're going to add those two up. Okay, so let me make this a little clearer. So the 22nd is going to be 7. And in order to find our median, we need to add the two together, divide them by 2, and that is going to give us 12 over 2, and that gives us 6. All right, so the steps here: first find the position using that formula, then find the actual numbers, add the two numbers together, divide them by 2, and find your answer. Perfect. I'm going to pause here. We'll do the box and whisker diagram in the next video. Very special thank you to our sponsor for making this video possible. Be sure to read all about them in the description below. Also, head over to our website for more of these epic tutorial videos. If you can't find the answer to your question, send us the question. We'll respond with a personalized video just for you. Until the next time, stay epic.